guys, I just wanted to show you the origin of the Turkish ice cream, which is this drink that is drank in Turkey. This is called Salep. And we will be trying to make the Turkish yogurt with this as well. However, I have found a supplier for Salep, so we can make our stretchy, maybe Incredibles, Stretchy Girl, The Stretch inspired superheroes ice cream. So yeah, hang on and I will show you more. The folklore behind this is that someone left their salep out in the cold, and then when they brought it back in, it was this cold, wonderful, stretchy ice cream, which is made today all over the Middle East. So yeah, this is the origin, supposedly, of Salep. I have been told that sometimes these don't actually contain genuine Salep, so if it doesn't work, well then we do have the real stuff. So we're going to try it both ways. Since I have an ice cream maker, it's gonna be fun. So I made Turkish ice cream with the Salep packets from Turkey, Ukra brand, and unfortunately, even though I thickened it and then set it to cool, we didn't get a very stretchy product, but it has a little bit of stretch to it. We're going to be trying with the pure bulb root with the next batch. But you get like a really nice ice cream out of it. This was cinnamon flavor. They used cinnamon in the flavoring. A little bit stretchy, but not any more stretchy than North American ice cream. It's not like I can pick this up and really stretch it. Well, I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it a fail, or is it something that you would make? It's delicious. It's absolutely delicious. It has a little bit of stretch to it, as we're seeing. I think it's dependent on the temperature. I did use my ice cream freezer, and then I pounded it after it was solid, just like I watched some do on the New York restaurant. So there is a little stretch to that. Certainly I don't think I'm going to need a knife and fork, but it's not stretchy girl, stretchy caliber. But it does have a little bit of stretch to it, which is pretty cool. Definitely a different kind of ice cream. This is very light. I just made it with whole milk. And those packets from Ukra, or however you pronounce that. And so yeah, there's my first try at Turkish ice cream. Super simple. The description on how I made this one is in the box below. For North American tastes, I would actually use cream next time, half and half, and then sweeten it up in addition to using the packets. But this is straight up the packets, and I did put some cardamom in there because I wanted a cardamom taste as well. So that's as stretchy as you get with those packets, but there's a lot of cornstarch in them. I don't know if there's any actual Salep, at least not enough to give us a, oh, is that so stretchy? That's like Stretchy Girl, Incredibles kind of, yeah. So there we go. It's our first attempt at stretchy Turkish ice cream, guys. And how does it taste? No. It's good. It's really good. Really, really yummy. I guess it kind of does have a little bit of a chewy. Would I recommend it? Yes. But this is all I've tried. So we'll see what we get when we use salad powder and cream and sugar and make our custard base that way, because I've seen some pretty amazing looking ice creams coming out of YouTube and on the internet. So yeah, happy ice cream day. If you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe and come on back. See y'all next time. Bye for now.